Hey everyone, it's Kathleen from For Profit Blogging, and I want to show you how to install Google Analytics. This is one of the first things you want to do when you're setting up your website, because the sooner you can start tracking how people are coming to your site, the sooner you can get obsessed about how many people are coming to your site. I just installed Google Analytics for someone the other day, and I realized just how unintuitive this process actually is. So I just wanted to show you really quickly. Let's head over to Google and look for Analytics. We'll go to Google Analytics. We'll sign in. Your Google might ask you which account to sign into. I've already told it 100 times which of my email accounts I want to sign in. But if this is the first time you're setting this up, make a note of where you set it up, because you're going to want to put all of your sites under one email address, because otherwise you're going to have to sign into different email addresses for all this, and it becomes a little more cumbersome than you want. So the system will have you set up a tracking code, and it's this tracking code that we need. So go to the admin tab and go right here where it says tracking info. So in the first few steps, you set up your account, you set up your property, and then you set up your view. This is the tracking info, the tracking code here. You want to copy this and then add it to your WordPress account. So let's go over to our WordPress account. And if you have a Genesis site, the header tag area is going to be in your Genesis theme settings. Google needs you to put the Google tracking code above in your header area, above the closing of your header tag, which doesn't make any sense to humans, but it means it needs to be at the very top of every single page. And the way to do that is in theme settings. So you scroll all the way down here to the header and footer scripts, and you put it in right here. And then you hit save, and this is your tracking code. Now Google knows who you are and where your site is. And soon, as soon as possible, we want to start tracking what's going on over in Google. We want to know the second that Google starts understanding that we are a legitimate website, and then we get search engine traffic, and we can talk about all of that in an upcoming episode. But that's how to install Google Analytics. If you haven't already done it, go take the few minutes it takes to do it right now. Thanks so much.